back to another video, guys. I'm gonna be working, guys, with the pork that I bought. Here's the pork from the Caribbean grocery haul video. So let's get into the video, guys. Quickly season this pork to marinate, guys. I want to jerk this pork, so I'm gonna wash it in vinegar. I'm gonna wash this pork in vinegar, guys, in salt water. And after I wash, then I always rinse whatever I'm washing 3 times. In order to get the seasoning to infuse in the meat, I poke it with a knife. So guys, whenever I'm seasoning my meat, I like to put the powder seasoning first. In the description below, guys, I'll put the recipe. Salt. You guys, the Walkerwood seasoning. This is mild. And also I'm gonna be putting a little bit of the grease jerk marinade, guys. Mix it with the Walkerwoods. And the barbecue sauce. Because I love it so much, I have to put it on this jerk pork. But most of the jerk seasoning is from the Walkerwoods. Scotch bonnet pepper. I think I'm going to be going a bit in on the pepper this time. And leave to marinate for 24 hours. Because it's going to be going in the oven to jerk. This pork is not bad, guys. I like this pork. It's not hairy. I don't like pork with the air on the skin. So you get between your ears here and rubbing the I have my garlic, allspice pimento seed here. Pimento seeds, thyme, scallion, onion, and my scotch bonnet pepper with a few of the seeds inside. And a piece of ginger. I'm gonna be blending this, guys. All these herbs, I'm gonna be blending them and rubbing them in. And I'm gonna be trying the soy sauce, gluten-free soy sauce for the first time. I'm going to be putting just a little bit onto the meat, the pork. And I also have a red striped beer that I'm going to be putting on it while jerking. So guys, I'm just going to be blending the herbs in. So guys, this meat is marinating for like 12 hours now. Just finishing up putting on the raw bonnet, the seasoning. Just going to be putting a little drop of the soy sauce. This gluten-free soy sauce, it's not bad. And then I'm gonna be putting some allspice. Not too much. As I said, guys, the recipe will be down in the description area. I'm gonna be putting some clove, not a lot. These are powdered seasoning, guys. This is the ginger. And I also have into the container that I blended, I had ginger, garlic, blended, scallion, thyme. Put in some more of the Maggi seasoning. I didn't have enough the dry rub, guys. The dry, I forgot to buy the dry jerk powder. I'm gonna be putting in some browning. So I'm just gonna let this marinate for like I think I may put a bit too much browning, guys. It's when I put it on. I'm gonna let this marinate some more. And then we'll start jerking this pork. So this is all the herbs blended in. So guys, after I blended the seasoning, this is marinating for I let it sit to marinate 2 more hours, and I'm gonna be putting it in the oven. Okay guys, at 375 degree. I'm gonna be cooking it for 2 hours. There's the pork. Cooking it for 2 hours, but after the first hour I'll check on it. And I think I went a bit too much, guys, on the browning, but it's okay. Then I opened the red stripe beer. I've never done it with the red stripe beer, guys, so I want to try it. Okay, the jerk with the red stripe beer. I'm gonna be putting half a bottle. So guys, I did the check 1 hour later, and I'm gonna put it back in the oven for another hour uncovered. I covered the pork back with the foil paper, guys, because I don't want it to get too brown. The reason why I uncovered it is for it to get its color, but because I did put a little bit extra brown in, okay, I decided to cover it. And guys, I'm just basting it here in its juice. It's almost done. Some people would say this is done for them. People would pour this off. They would pour it off, pour the liquid off, and then baste it. But I kept it in its own juice, guys, because all this gravy is the blended herbs and spices and just the beer. I added no water to it. Okay, so that's all I'm doing, just basting it in its own juice. And I'm gonna be doing that like every 50 minutes. I would turn it for the last hour and baste it in its juice. And then there's about 50 minutes left on it, guys. Check on my rice here. I have rice cooking, guys. So guys, I mix my the peas with the red peas with the baked bean. Because I'm doing jerk pork, I couldn't mix the bean with the meat, so I just thought I would put it in my rice. See my rice, guys? Looking good. I steamed rice for Let me give you a close-up. Steam the rice. So the pork is done, guys, and look at this. Looking delicious. See, guys, the skin is cooked, because you know pork skin is hard at first. Then the fork is going through it, so it's well done. Actually, I gave it 2 hours and 15 minutes, I think. Yeah, there's the pork. Juicy and tender. So guys, just let me cut the pork for you to see. See, guys, well done pork. Look at that, guys. Look at that piece of pork. See, it's well done. You guys, well done. Cooked over 2 hours. That is how I like my pork. I showed you how I made jerk pork, and this jerk pork is good, guys. This is the jerk pork. This one is very spicy. I did go in on the spice. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna taste this for you to see. So guys, before I do the taste test, you guys are going to be watching this video on the 6th of August, which is Jamaica's independence, guys. And Jamaica's motto is out of many one people. And here is a fridge magnet that I brought from Jamaica last time I went, and this is the coat of arms. That's a coat of arms. This is the Jamaican flag, and this is Jamaican fruit, ackee, the ackee plant, and this is the lignum vitae flower. This is the Dr. Bird, Jamaica's national bird, and Jamaica's national flower, the lignum vitae. Okay, so Jamaica is, on the day you're watching it, this video has been uploaded, guys, on the 6th. It's Jamaica's independence. Okay, guys, okay, let me get into tasting the food for you to see. Okay, it smells really good. So I put my ketchup on my jerk pork here, served with lettuce and tomato. This is the real deal, guys. I don't eat pork often, but on occasions I don't mind having pork, and this one is spicy. I did go all in on the pepper. It's good. So guys, please give this video a thumbs up. This is jerk pork, guys. This is jerk pork. It's spicy. Give the video a thumbs up, guys. And so guys, I'm going to be putting in the recipe for this jerk pork in the description box. If I don't put it right away, I will, guys. Within a week it will be there. Okay, there's the pork, guys. 2 hours and 15 minutes, and it is well done, and it tastes good, and the spice is just right. I'm really enjoying it. I'm not fooling you. I don't eat pork a lot, but I don't mind having pork on occasions. I'm truly enjoying this, guys. And guys, leave your questions below. Leave comment down below. Just to let you guys know that I don't drink, guys. I don't drink beer. Okay, for the first time I tried the beer on the jerk pork, and it tastes really good. I'm not fooling you. I use half a bottle, but I don't drink, but it tastes good. Like, you don't even taste the beer on the jerk pork, and the jerk pork is awesome.